What up, players? We're back here with a new video. We're here with the Nova again. As you guys saw, we just did all the trim. We painted them all black. We got them all here papered up and taped up. That way when I moved them, they didn't get all scratched or anything. So I'm gonna uncover these things and start getting these things installed into the Nova. So obviously, you guys saw that door got pretty messed up. So that door needs to get touched up again by Navarro. He needs to come color sand or whatever. And he wants to go one last pass over the whole car once I get all the trim, bumpers, everything final back on the car. So I want to get all these parts on it. I don't know how soon he'll be able to come mess with the car, but at least that way it's all ready for him and he can do his last final things to it. I think he even said he's gonna do a ceramic coat on it, so he's gonna leave the car nice and show ready basically. So I actually got one of the headlight bezels open. Let's check it out in the sun. This thing just looks awesome, dude. It's so shiny, nice and clean. I never had them this clean on my car before, so pretty excited to get all these things thrown in. That's just one of them. Then I got the other one right here, and I'm gonna just start opening all these things up. All right, guys, these are just some of the parts. You guys can see what it looks like. They're all pretty much nice and shiny like this. Just had to show off this beautiful thing in the sunlight. Darkness, sunlight, boy. All right, guys, I already got the first one on. First eyebrow looks so sick. I'm about to set up the second one, and then I'm gonna go start installing the bezels and the grill and everything. So I'll keep you guys updated here and we'll keep it rolling. All right, guys, so the reason I'm using this hardware is because I use like the original stuff that like Classic Industries sells you, like those little clips and the little screws what you're supposed to mount on here. But the thing is, I drove this car and I don't know if I just didn't tighten them enough, or pretty sure it's just a vibration of the car. They eventually came loose, and this bezel flew off the car when I was on PCH and ended up running it over. And I'd seen it on PCH for like a week after that, in like 5 different pieces. So I'm using these bolts and lock nuts and washers and everything just to make sure these things never fall off again, because now they're nice and painted and it's a hassle to paint things, you know, especially when my brother doesn't have the time. You guys see how long some of this stuff takes? It's because he has another life outside of Yonke's, you know? So that should be pretty solid. Where's the what? Where's the swimming pool? Fuck you. Where's the pool party?
Where the nopales at?
Where the fucking thongs?
Beto, check out the fucking bezel now, dumbass. Beto's trying to get clips for YouTube.
Hey, clip that, chat. Clip down. Damn, that shit is fucking...
I think it's
bad as fuck.
Gucci now, boy. Gotta move the grill out the way.
Fucking hot as balls.
We gotta move the grill out the way, and then the grill off the grill.
And then you gotta put the grill in the grill.
And then I'm gonna cook on it. Where's the other one at?
Look at this ratchet. This is the tools I use. It goes good both ways. So smooth.
That's Yonke's special right there.
The Yonke edition ratchet? Oh my god, am I dumb? What the fuck is this, a half? I got my boy Splurge right here. We're getting the grill in. Oh, you got it already? We got the grill in place, basically. Looks insane.
On those bad boys.
But we just got the outer ones done. I loosened up the little bracket here, so we could get the grill in place.
Why don't see that, huh?
Why don't you do something to your car, bro? Car's looking solid now with all these parts. I still got all these to go. This is like the front windshield and stuff. And you guys seen all this in the previous video, all the other trim. I got some more over here. All right, let me know, guys, what you guys think of this 4th of July. If we should do another Yonke cruise. The Nova should be ready. So let me know in the comments if you guys are ready for a new cruise. We haven't done one for a couple years. So who's ready, guys? Get your cars ready for this summer. It's coming up.
What's it looking like, Fred?
All right, boys. The grill's in there. Let's see what it looks like.
That shit looks vicious.
It looks so nice. The last piece up front is gonna go along the hood trim. So I'm gonna get the drill ready, get some masking tape, and start throwing some holes in this thing. Oh! Good.
Fucking put a hole through your radiator.
This is the scariest.
Yeah, he's done.
Thing
Yeah,
I've
you're
ever
cooked,
done,
bro.
guys.
Yeah, you're overheating.
These holes are going where you're not gonna be able to see anything. So if I kind of mess it up down here,
You gotta make like 5 or 6 different holes.
yeah,
Yeah, but you just made your radiator fucking leak faster.
that part's a little thicker.
That's what she said.
It's like Beto. Fuck you, it's like Martin. Like your feet?
It's like Martin.
Oh, what the fuck? Alright guys, we got a little ahead of ourselves here. I'm here with this fucking guy.
How you guys doing?
You guys know him? Anyways, bring out your light, Will, cause we put on the front trim for the windshield. It goes all the way across. I didn't get the bottom piece yet because I'm missing brackets. I got the headlight bezels in, the eyebrows, the hood, the grill,
The emblem.
the emblem. It's all full of fingerprints. I gotta wipe it down, but the front end is pretty much solid. Missing my bumper and filler panel now. I gotta order some of those clips so I can get the bottom trim piece on the windshield. I'm getting these last couple clips on in the back so I can start smacking in the rear windshield moldings. And this guy's helping me. He thinks he knows what he's doing, but he's really just chipping all the paint off of my car right now.
Exactly, I'm a hater.
What's up, players? Fred just left a couple minutes ago because he had something to do, but I just want to go ahead and show you guys what we got set up with his bumpers. So we got them hung up right here. They got these little panels right here on the stand, and here's a front bumper.
Sealer, baby.
We're in his natural habitat.
Oh, you know me.
Just fucking clothesline my head on the. All his homies came to be fucking cheerleaders right here.
This fool always drinking when I'm working, fool. What the fuck?
Damn, double fisting. Come on, my boy.
Even he's drinking.
Damn it. What you got going on here, Weddle?
Oh, you know, mixing up some red, drinking a little.
Damn,
Getting twisted before I paint.
did you pour some of that shit in there? Or?
That way when I run the shit out of it,
Hey man, it's because he's faded, that's why.
Hey, fucking Fred. Hey, bro.
Let him know something. Let him know something. Uh-huh.
Hey. Man, fuck who calling me. I ain't asking this. God damn.
Wet. Fucking wet like your fucking culo. Uh-huh.
I'm fucking tired, bro. It's time for a break. Clean the gun, but first, gotta hydrate. You know what I'm saying?
Gotta hydrate for all this.
You get off of work,
And still gotta work?
you work a little 9-hour shift, and you gotta come and work overtime for free?
Fuck.
Come on, my boy.
Gotta have some reason to drink, huh?
You know, drink your sorrows away.
Alright, players. I just got back. Hopefully Beto recorded enough of this stuff for you guys. If not, anyways, let's check out the bumpers. They're fresh. Dean, how many coats of base? You said 4? 5 coats of the red, and then 4 of clear. Stay tuned, and they'll be on the car soon. Alright guys, I'm getting the filler panels installed. Never had this one before, but I had the metal like structural one. But now this thing looks so sick. It fills in that gap between the grill and the bumper and like the headlight buckets, bezels. And so I just had to take off the grill and loosen the bucket so I could spread the fenders out and get these in without scratching them up. So now I'm just bolting them in to the grill. This whole bottom thing, the plastic one gets bolted up to the grill, and the bottom one goes underneath, and it gets bolted to the plastic one, and there's 3 bolts that go up on the insides right here. So then I'll be able to throw in the front bumper, who you can see, actually we put the grill in and the little turn signal lights, so looks pretty sick. And then I could throw the back bumper on. I already installed the tail lights, So this thing is looking crazy now. All right, players. Pretty much wraps up the front end, I guess. Everything's bolted in place. You can see all the freaking fingerprints all over the bumper, but we're kind of struggling to get it on right now. But now it's on, everything's solid. Bumper's mounted, the grill's mounted in the bumper and on the car, the double grill. The little lights, I just gotta wire these up. Looks a little dumb because it has like plastic to protect them for now, but get those off later. The whole front end, everything's sick. Honestly, let me know what you guys think. If the filler panel should have went black too, because I've seen pictures of it to be matched like the car and it looks right, but now that the bumper is color matched, I feel like maybe this should have also been black to go like with the top, like just around that whole piece black. I don't know, but leave it in the comments what you guys think, if it looks cool like this. But yeah, now we gotta just get the rear bumper installed and she should be back to normal.
You would let us know if it should have been black, but I don't think it's getting painted black.
Shit, but
I don't think it's getting painted anymore after this. I think Martin's
Martin's
over this shit.
He's retiring from helping me with stuff after this.
Did you start it or what?
Yeah.
I can't see shit. All right.
What up,
Ladies and
players?
gentlemen,
Go ahead and fucking
boys and
explain
girls.
today what's going on right now.
Well, Fred bought a car, but he's not here because he has to go to work. So we're gonna pick up a car.
We're not gonna pick it up, but we're gonna fucking move it into his driveway for him. We got Fat Boy right here. Damn! What time is it, fool? Like
8:16. Shit.
this fool's wilding right now, but
I ain't gonna fucking pay him. Might as well drink his beer.
Fred's not here because that fool had to fucking work today, and we just got home like 3 hours ago, so we're all fucking crudo. But we're gonna be here to get the car when it arrives.
Hopefully it's not a piece of shit
Hopefully it's not a piece of shit, and we're gonna just surprise you guys of.
with what he got.
Yeah, exactly. Will's just taking the words right out of my mouth because
It
I
happens,
can't
happens,
fucking
you know?
speak. Look at the mama huevo that just showed up right now.
Aw.
This fool came to fucking come help us out right now. What's up, my boy?
Clean, crisp.
Nah. The new Yonke. Will, give us your fucking honest opinion. Right off the bat.
Well, that's probably not good.
It's got three good.
I mean,
Who cares? It's a fucking 59 Impala.
exactly. Does Fred have his floor jack here or no?
Yeah, I think he has it in his garage.
You don't know, fool.
I do, fool. It's my house.
Not that bad, bro. Relax.
Well, you've seen worse or what?
Yeah.
Probably half of the cars.
I don't like how Jackie's coming and recording all the worst stuff right now.
yeah.
You know what the fuck?
Maybe take like 3 steps back, Jackie.
3 steps back. 3 steps back.
Unfocus it a little
Hey,
bit.
the daylight's not supposed to come into the ground.
Hey, look,
Let's tell these fucking.
Let me see how many fingers you're holding out.
No way this fool falls through the floor. This fool's gonna Flintstone it, you said?
Let's go.
Put your foot through there.
The fuck you guys push?
Straighten it out. Straighten it out. Get off, you fucking thick bitch.
I'm fucking pushing,
You're not doing a
bitch.
fucking thing.
Oh, you're doing it by yourself then. This shit got a backup camera or what?
Supposed to be signaling.
Yeah, bro. Keep it coming. Make sure you guys leave a comment. Let us know how good these guys are doing right now.
What a piece of shit.
Alright, straight.
Alright.
Go ahead and judge them 1 out of 10.
Hey, I gotta hit the brakes. I gotta hit the brakes.
Dude, why you get scared, bitch? Don't bet those car movers.
Car movers, you must.
You must.
Someone unhook me?
Fool got a fucking spring up his ass holding him inside.
Do you really?
Huh?
There you go.
Chops?
You ripped it.
Ah, let me see.
Yeah.
Turn around. Ah, Fred owes you a new shirt for sure now.
You have chocks? Wheel chocks?
What the fuck are you talking? What are you yapping about over there, fool? Just put a rock under the tire.
Hey, Jackie was okay with it, and then it got here.
Dude! Fucking put a sick ass dent in right here.
Look what Jackie did out of anger.
Oh my god.
It's gonna be Fred's face later.
Jackie, you ruined the interior.
Shut up. You guys ruined it by just looking at it.
Jackie ruined the interior with that slime, bro. Look at that shit.
Hey, it's fucking sick though. Do I look cool?
You look fucking rad, dude. You look fucking rad.
All right, well, here's Fred's new 59 Impala. It's got a clean title apparently. Texas title.
Texas title. It's clean over there, huh?
It's got all the extra parts. I mean, it's not too bad if you think about it. I mean, it's bad,
You know what's even
but it's
better
not
if you
too
don't
bad.
think about it.
Yeah, you're right. We don't have to fix it. It's not really our problem. The door's been blasted. Nice interior.
Pretty nice gauges.
Fred's gonna have a really good time fixing this. He needs a new windshield.
New windshield.
But I wonder what it's got in there. Where's
The hood latch. What the fuck? She's about to start taking off right now. It's got 1 fucking horsepower, fool.
Wow.
Alright, now get out.
I know what's wrong with it.
It ain't got no gas in it.
Gas in it.
Oh, you answered him. Fool hung up on you. Turn the camera around. There's where this mama huevos at. Fred's first look at the car.
Alright guys, so I know this video's been kind of all over the place, but I finally got the Nova pretty much mostly put back together as far as like the parts and all the stuff we painted. So we got the tail lights back on, the rear bumper, the rear moldings, and I'm still missing these ones. I still gotta install those, get the new glass in, but then I'm missing the front lower molding, and then you guys seen the front already. Alright guys, thanks for sticking to the end of the video. Hopefully you guys liked those last couple clips of everybody bringing the Impala in here. But like I said guys, stick around and we're gonna keep pushing these bangers out. So thanks for the support and we'll catch you on the next one guys.